Update row values where certain condition is met in Pandas. Say I have the following data frame. What is the most efficient way to update the values of the columns feet and another underscore feet where the stream is number 2? Is this it? Update. What to do if I have more than 100 columns? I don't want to explicitly name the columns that I want to update. I want to divide the value of each column by 2, except for the stream column. So to be clear what my goal is, dividing all values by 2 of all rows that have stream 2, but not changing the stream column.
I think you can use LOC if you need update 2 columns to same value. If you need update separate, one option is use. Another common option is use numpy.where. Edit. If you need divide all columns without stream where condition is true, use. If working with multiple conditions is possible, use multiple numpy.where or numpy.select.
You can do the same with .9 like this. Edit. After the extra information, the following will return all columns where some condition is met with halved values.
Another vectorized solution is to use the mask method to halve the rows corresponding to stream equals 2 and join these columns to a data frame that consists only of the stream column. Or you can also update the original data frame. Both of the above codes do the following. Mask is even simpler to use if the value to replace is a constant, not derived using a function, e.g. the following code replaces all feet values corresponding to stream equal to 1 or 3 by 100.1. 1. Feet columns can be selected using filter method as well.
Filter